Hello, my name is Cornelius Chopin, owner of Rich Media Creative Services, where I make learning fun and easy. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a realistic reflection, a common effect that every Photoshop user should know how to do. An object reflection is best seen against a dark background, preferably all black, for the object reflection to be, well, reflected and faded into the background. You can also use a light background as well. With that preview in mind, open Photoshop with an image that you would like to use, and let's get started. First, let's create a reflection. If necessary, select the object in the image by whatever means. In my case, I will select the Object Selection tool and click the Select Subject button. If necessary, make any selection refinement. Press the Command or Control key and J and turn off the background layer to isolate the object against a transparent background denoted by the checkerboard pattern. Click the new adjustment layer icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. Select Solid Color, select Black, and then click the OK button to create a new solid color layer. Move this adjustment layer below the objects layer to act as a nice background. With the object layer selected, press the Command or Control key and J again, but this time to duplicate the object to act as a reflection, as you will soon see in the upcoming steps. Press the Command or Control key and T to activate the Transformation tool. Right-click and select Flip Vertical. Hold on the Shift key and then hold the down arrow to move the duplicated object to the bottom edge of the original object. Right-click again on the object, select Warp, and make adjustments so that it closes any gaps between the two objects. Press the Enter key to commit the transformation. Let's fade the reflection. Creating a reflection is not enough. You need to fade it into the background to make it look more realistic. While there are several ways of doing this process, creating a layer mask and applying a gradient is the most common and effective way for most objects. Click the Create Layer Mask icon at the bottom of the Layers panel to create a completely white layer mask that will still show the whole object. Do you remember the golden rule of masking? Black conceals and white reveals. Press the G key to activate the Gradient tool. Ensure the Linear Gradient option is selected, and in the Basic folder, select the Foreground to Transparent option. Click and drag from the bottom to the top of the object to gradually fade the reflection into the background. Repeat several times if necessary to get the look you want. If necessary, in the Layers panel, adjust the opacity to lighten the reflection to further blend it into the background. As a bonus, I've created a gradient background that acts as a wall to give the image a more 3D look. Now that you know how to create a reflection, you will never be left in the dark. Thanks for watching and have a great day or a great night.